Make the best pizza yet. Whether it's frozen, fresh or reheated from last night's dinner, bake a perfect pizza every time thanks to ProBake Nonstick 16-inch pizza pans. High performance. ProBake bakeware is coated with a Teflon Xtra nonstick finish designed for high performance, making this an ideal pan to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Superior release coating. No need for grease or cooking sprays. Even the cheesiest of pizzas want stick-making cleanup quick and easy. Durable steel construction. Pan is made with professional weight steel construction ensuring even heating with no hot spots for perfect pizza crust. Quality assurance. The ProBake Nonstick 16-inch pizza pan is made in the USA, made without PFOA, and is backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great pizza pan, absolutely love it and completely recommend at. I absolutely love this pizza pan, it's the 16-1, it's perfect, it cooks it obsolete perfect. I make sourdough pizza crusts and I was worried it wouldn't fit in the fridge because it was so big because I leave the dough insides of I make the pizza and put it inside the fridge for 24 hours and then do with the rest of the situation by it was absolutely wonderful. My pizza was like not too crispy but it was crispy enough and it wasn't overcooked, it was this perfect. I recommend this pan, nothing sticked on it, I put some spray on there even it was the welfare brand spray and they didn't have any problems with sticking whatsoever.